Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to be taking a look at USDCHF, the USDCHF pair, specifically looking at the daily, hourly, and 15-minute charts. Recent news sources suggest a slightly bullish sentiment for USDCHF, with some analysts predicting continued strength in the US dollar during the first half of 2025. Let's start by examining the one-day chart for USDCHF. The overall trend appears to be bullish in the longer term, showing significant upward momentum in the past month. We can see several instances of support and resistance levels where the price has bounced off or failed to break through. Notably, the price recently broke above a key resistance level, indicating a strong bullish signal. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Here, we can observe more short-term fluctuations and identify potential short-term trading opportunities. The hourly chart gives a more precise look at the smaller trends and gives us more clues about the price action. We can see short-term bullish trends developing, and we can look for support and resistance within those trends. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see the immediate price action even more clearly. These charts show the most immediate price action and are very useful for intraday trading. Here, we can see a clear support and resistance level and potential pullbacks. By watching the 15-minute charts, we can even identify patterns like head and shoulders formations and even get a clue on how the support and resistance might change in the short term. Let's focus on a specific period on the one-day chart, say, the last week of price action. Looking back at the last week's price movement gives us a better picture of how support and resistance works. We can see a clear trend within that week, indicating the short-term price movement that may soon change. This detailed view enables us to pinpoint support and resistance levels in the current trend. It also allows us to anticipate potential reversals based on this price action. Let's recap the important price levels. The 0.915 level served as strong resistance in the past, but recently the price broke above it, opening up further upside potential. However, there is a support level around the 0.89 level that could trigger a short-term pullback if the bullish momentum weakens. I'd consider price levels around 0.92 and 0.88 as more long-term price targets, given the prior price action. While the overall trend is bullish, several factors could influence its trajectory. Increased volatility and economic uncertainty could cause a quick change in the trend. News events related to U.S. economic data and Swiss monetary policy would affect price. A break below the 0.89 support level might signal a bearish reversal in the short term. Conversely, a sustained move above the 0.92 level could solidify the bullish trend for a longer term. In conclusion, USDCHF presents a compelling case for bullish investors in the long term, given the price action. However, short-term traders should watch for support around 0.89 and potential resistance around 0.92. News events concerning both the US and Swiss economies are crucial to monitoring and determining your trading decisions.